What's up guys, I'm Ravi KK and welcome to another Java Swings video. And in this video we are gonna see how to add an image into a JFrame. Okay, so we'll learn we'll not just add an image into a JFrame, but we'll learn more. Okay, what problems I have faced while adding the image and what problems you may face. So let's take into example. Did you ever think of a scenario while adding your image into a JFrame? You have taken your JFrame size to 500 by 400 size, and if your image is way bigger than that particular JFrame, how do you adjust the whole image into a JFrame? It's like 500 by 400 JFrame, and if the image is like 1000 by 1000 pixel wide, so how do you adjust that image to fit to whatever area in a JFrame? Okay, so let's start off with this video. There are two ways wherein you can give the path in your program, the path of the image. Either you can place the image into any of the package wherever your program resides, or you can you can give the path wherever your image is. Like I have placed my images somewhere over here. Photos. Okay, I have placed my image in my G drive. So how do you give a path to your program where your image resides? We are gonna see both ways of how to add a photo into a JFrame. Where, doesn't matter, it locates anywhere in your computer. Okay. So first of all, what we'll have to do is we'll have to create an image icon object. Okay, so let's create that. Image icon equals new image icon. Okay, so you have created an object of an image. What you'll have to do is inside this you'll have to give the path of that image. For now we have placed this image, that is my photo.png, in our swing package. Now how do you get the path of that image? Just right click on that image, go to properties, and here you will find all files. Just click on this small button and single click over here, and just copy this and close everything, and inside double quotation marks just paste that path. Okay, just press Ctrl V, and there you go, here's the path. But you may notice that there are two slash placed between each between the addresses, where between the path where the photo resides. It's because whenever you just have a single slash, it will throw you an error. Okay, now we'll take a label, and inside that label we'll place this image. Okay, now let's take a label, JLabel, label equals new J label, and inside this label just give the object name of the icon, that is the path of the image. And let's import this, import javax.swing.jlabel, and let's try adding this label to our JFrame. Okay, so now we'll use a flow layout manager, set layout, new flow layout. Okay, flow layout. Okay, and just add this label. Now press shift F6. Oops, there's an error. I guess we'll have to import this ajax.awt.flow layout. Now press shift F6, And there you go. You have a JFrame that has the image placed in a JFrame. But now look at this. Let me show you my image. Whenever we open this image, now look at this image. I mean, this is my full photo where I am in a stadium, and I want this particular photo to be displayed in my JFrame. Okay, the photo that you may display in a JFrame can be a company logo, or it may be a logo of the application that your client has provided. Anything. Our intention is to place that image into a JFrame to whatever size you want without reducing the quality and without no problems. Okay, so let's close this image and open our JFrame again. Now I want my photo to be displayed in the JFrame in a very good manner, like in at this area with the same original photo. Okay, now how do you do that? You don't need any kind of a Photoshop skills and picture editing skills, or you don't need any kind of a licensed software or any kind of software to edit the photos that you want to place in a JFrame. Well, I figured out a website that is pixlr.com, wherein you can edit your photos and all. But the intention of this video is not to learn how to edit photos. We'll just reduce the size of our image without reducing the quality. Okay, now just go to Open Pixlr Editor in advanced mode. Now just click on create a new image and just give the width and height of whatever image size you want. I mean the resultant output that your photo should be after editing. Okay, for now I'll keep default like 800 by 600. I'll click OK, and there you go. The first thing that you have to do is just go to file and open image, and just give the path of the image wherever it is. Let's say my photo.png. Open, and we want this size of the photo to be reduced to a smaller size. Now look at this image. It is around 2000 by 1500 pixels. Okay, so now the second step we will do is just go to edit and select all, and again go to edit, just copy this, and right here in this previous frame that is untitled, you just click over here and go to make sure that it is selected, and just go press paste. Okay, there you go. You have the image in our 800 by 600 frame. Now we want to reduce the size of this image. The third step that we'll do is just go to edit and click on free transform. Okay, there it is. You have your complete image selected. That is, you have a small dot over here at all the corners. Okay, now before reducing the size, what you'll have to do is you just have to hold shift key, and at the mouse click you just drag it inside. Okay, just drag it inside and release your shift and mouse key, I mean mouse click. Just take this image to this corner. Okay, and in the same way just do this way, and again take it this way, and again. Now without holding shift key, if we reduce the size, now look at this, it gets somewhat distorted. Okay, so it is required that you press shift key, and at the same time at the mouse click you just can increase the size or decrease the size. Okay, there you go. I want this sized image. Now we'll click aside, and yes, I want to save the changes. And after that you have to crop this image, and you can do this by just selecting the image and to wherever you want. Release your mouse click and just press enter. There you go, you have the image cropped. Now we want to save this image. Go to file, go to save, and make sure you save this image as a png. Okay, untitled.png. For now I'll not give a name for this, and save it wherever you want. I'll save this image to my computer. Just click OK, and untitled.png, I'll save it there itself, and just click save. Okay, there it is, your image has been saved. Now go to this path wherever you have saved, just copy this and paste this in your package. Okay, I'll paste this in my package and change the name of that image from my photo to untitled.png. untitled untitled.png, and let's run this code. Shift F6, and there you go, you have an image of the size of whatever your frame size is. Okay, so in that way you can have your company logos, or any client logo the client provides you, and you can place anywhere in your JFrame and to whatever size you want. There's no tension of distortion or anything. Okay, so we'll see another way of how to add an image into JFrame in our next video. Okay, as I said, I'll teach you both the ways of how to add the image into JFrames. Both the ways, I mean, just giving the path of the image, like we have placed our image in this package, and likewise we can give a path to the image if you have it in your my computer. Okay, so just single click over here and copy this path and go to your Netbeans, and just give a slash and give a name of the image, untitled, untitled untitled.png. Let's run this code again. Shift F6, and there you go, you have an image in your JFrame. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I have shown you how to add an image into JFrame, how to edit an image. Well, our main focus was on adding the image, not the editing of the image. Okay, so we'll see how to add an image into JFrame form in our next video. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please comment, and don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.